Hello, I'm Alex.
And I'm Felix.
And today's episode on Design Seed, we are going to show you the top 3 techniques of basic pouring art.
So we will begin by preparing the colors for the pouring.
Alright, let's go.
We pour the acrylic paint 30%, 2 spoons of Mod Podge. We fill the cup 70% with flow away through and stir it evenly. I will make sure for this size, I'll make sure maybe it covers somewhere around here. Flip cup, what we do is we have the cup ready. Just pour it over. Wait for all the paint to cool down. I will just so you see the color. And sometimes if I don't want it to be too flat, I will just pull it, according to some lines. Okay. Yeah. Then the fun part comes is you will start, and we try to fill the corners. Yeah, you see all these lines it keeps moving. So you have to control. If I think that this composition is nice, I'll just leave it like that. This is flip cup.
Now we have all seen how Felix showed us a professional version of how we do pouring art. So here we're going to have our 2 friends, Jasmine and Joanne. Is this your first time doing pouring art?
Yes.
To give this session a bit of a twist, there's going to be a small competition between 2 of you on the flip cup technique. So we'll see whose artistic version or the practical version will be a better art piece. Alright ladies, your 3 minutes starts now. Choose your colors. Figuring it out. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I'm done.
Alright, so now that the art pieces are ready, we're gonna have Felix again to share his professional thoughts.
Hi, I'm back again. Alright, so based on these 2 drawings, these 2 paintings, of course there's different character and then different colors. It shows different personality. And maybe you can explain a little bit about your painting. Yeah.
I feel like the red color is how people see me from outside, and then the
Very angry people.
no, it's like very passionate and all friendly.
Alright,
yeah.
okay.
And then the black color actually is the inner side of myself, like the dark side. No, so I'm actually quite calm.
Alright, if you were to name this piece of art, what would you name it?
I would say finding the inner peace.
Finding the inner peace. Alright. What about this piece of art over here?
I'm not very confirm what this means, but in my mind I have a name. It's called Siren of Deep of the Ocean. So it's very mysterious.
You can see like a lot of
Beautiful choice.
creatures
Yes.
like swimming in the ocean. If I look at both of these drawings, right?
Yeah.
This one they have a lot of very beautiful cells. Yeah, and the color balancing. I can see there's very nice balancing over here of colors. Well, this is very random. They have also cells over. Yeah, and then the colors is kind of mixed together. So I think now it's time for
The judging to begin.
yeah.
Let's have our panel of judges to point their fingers on which is their chosen one.
1, 2, 3.
That's a tie.
That's a tie. So what do we do right now?
So now that we have a tie, let's see how they do in the following 2.
We're going to use another technique called dirty pour. There's a few methods to do the dirty cups, okay? And today I'm going to show you maybe 2 methods. One is maybe just straight lines. The other one is swirl. It's the same thing. You just stick it up and so usually we try to cover the 4 sides first, okay? The 4 corners. And basically you can see the difference between the two.
So we just learned the dirty pour technique. So now let's begin choosing the next colors. So we're done with this session. Let's invite Willix again to see what he would like to share.
We could clearly see that, one is very lady.
Ladies
And
room.
for this one, I'm really surprised that she would choose the colors that she doesn't really like. But in these paintings, she tried to explore, which I think this is something that everyone should do,
So if you were to name this painting, what would you name it?
My New Zealand.
My New Zealand. Wow. What about yours? Yeah.
Barbie doll.
Barbie Galaxy. Wow.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful one. So well done both.
Yes.
Yeah.
So right now I think it's time for the voting session, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. But yours is beautiful. Your both is beautiful. The reason I like this, it has a little bit of the marble effect, which I think is quite difficult to achieve. Yeah.
I love how you explore different colors.
It's okay, but I think through this art you'll be able to gain realizations.
Alright, so congratulations!
We're going to learn about this technique called the Dutch technique, or we call it as the blowout technique. Yeah.
So we just saw how Willix showed us the Dutch technique. So now we're going to invite the two girls back. So get your stamina and engines ready. Let's do this.
Okay, I'm done.
We're done. The technique is very interesting and the artwork actually came out marvelous. This is going to be a hard choice for the judges. Let's see what Willick says.
Wow. 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 Both I can see whose lungs are bigger. Yeah, obviously this piece of art you get more, you know, the lungs are bigger. You see, I can see this. Yeah, more energy. You can splash even. It splash in a bigger area. Yeah. Wow, this piece of art. Yeah, she's like out of breath. Out of breath. Yeah,
But
that's
I tried my best.
yeah, I mean, well, that I believe if you are given more time, you're able to, you know, like spread it even more. Yeah. All right. So, what would you name your art piece for this round?
This one is actually, to be honest, kind of hard to name it, because for me, from this side I can see it as a flower, and then from this side I see it as something else. So I would say this. I could call this as mood.
What about your piece of art?
Okay, this name messy.
Messy. Okay.
Yeah, messy as me. You see?
One of the things, reminder when you're doing these girls with long hair, you know, just take.
Yes, a very good reminder.
Yes, you need to tie
Yes.
your hair.
But I like the colors that you chose. Alright, so panel judges, are we ready? 1, 2, 3! So I think, you know, art could be really described in many different manners. So everyone could be an artist, and depending on your mood, and I never thought it would be depending on your lung size. But yes.
So this is something that I realized along the way I do all of this art. So I hope that both of you, or three of you, to enjoy the process, doing all these things. While doing it, I hope that you realize even more, you know, things by just doing this pouring art. Yeah. I think all these things is very easy to do, and when it's hung in your home, I mean, it's so beautiful, it's so artistic. Yeah.
So it's the end of today's video.
Please subscribe to us.
And please leave your comment below on which is your preferred piece. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Bye bye.